In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Vanguard not initialized error code 57. Now the way that you can do this is you want to come down here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. This will open up this black box, and in here what you want to type is sc space delete space VGC. Type this, press enter, and then type sc delete space VGK and press enter. Now what this will do is it will delete your Vanguard and you have to re-get it. So after you've done that, what you want to do is come down here and search for this PC, head to your C drive, program files, find your Riot Vanguard and delete this folder. If you cannot delete it, just come down here, right click on Vanguard and exit, and then delete it. Now once you've done that, you're simply gonna open up Riot Client in here, and your Valorant will say it needs an update. Just click on the update and it's basically just gonna reinstall your Vanguard. Now another thing you can try is if you come down here and search for services, in here click anywhere and press V, find VGC, double click and make sure it's set to automatic and make sure it's running. If it says stopped, just press start, apply and OK. After that, restart your PC and go take the Vanguard update in Valorant. Now, hopefully this works, guys. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.